Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a video in your Wistia account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a video in Wistia anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online content business doing video, you know that sometimes the videos are no longer relevant, so maybe you want to go ahead and delete it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete one of your Wistia videos, here on the left side, you're going to click on Content Library. Once you click there, you're going to see these four options at the top, but you want to click on Media. Once you click on Media, you're going to see all the videos you have in Wistia. So just scroll through until you find the video you would like to delete. So for example, this one. And there's a couple of different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is off to the right. You're going to see these three dots. Once you click on there, you want to scroll down until you see Delete and click on Delete. Another way you can do this is off to the left. You're going to see this little box. Just check the box. Once you do that, you'll see this pop up here at the bottom, and you can click on Delete. Now, before you delete the video, you should know that once you delete it, it's gone forever, but you can do what's called archived. So basically the video is not going to be available to the public through the public link. So what you would do is click on these three dots here, and then you would click on Archive. Once it goes into archive, it's going to be moved into this folder right here, archived. So that's if you might use the video in the future. I would highly recommend that because you don't have to recreate a whole nother video for your Wistia account if you decide to use that content once again. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a video in your Wistia account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.